In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jasper AI to rewrite content. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a sentence that feels vague or clunky and turn it into something clear, polished, and ready to share. First, open your browser and head to the Jasper app. When the dashboard loads, make sure you're on the home screen. If you're not, look to the left sidebar and click Home. This ensures you're in the main workspace where Jasper's chat is front and center and ready to help. Next, find the Ask Anything box. This is Jasper's conversational input where you tell the AI exactly what you want. Click into that field so your cursor is ready. The more precise your request, the better Jasper will do, so think of this like giving clear directions to a helpful assistant. Now, type your prompt. For rewriting tasks, it helps to be direct about your goal. You can say something like, rewrite this content to improve clarity, followed by the exact text you want improved. Using quotation marks makes it obvious which words should be rewritten and prevents confusion. Let's use a simple example. Type, rewrite this content to improve clarity. Our service is very helpful and good for businesses. This gives Jasper a clear instruction and a specific sentence to work with. If you're applying this to your own work, just swap in your sentence or paragraph inside the quotes. You can also add optional guidance like keep the meaning the same or use a confident professional tone to steer the style, but the basic rewrite command is all you need. When you're ready, click send or press enter. Jasper will generate a refined version in a moment. You should see a result that's more direct and professional, something along the lines of our service helps businesses operate more effectively. Notice how the rewrite removes vague words like very helpful and good and replaces them with a clear benefit. That's the power of a focused rewrite. If the first result isn't quite your style, you can immediately follow up in the same chat with a brief nudge such as make it more concise, use plain language, or keep the original structure. Small adjustments like these help you land the exact voice and clarity you want without starting over. That's it. Open Jasper, confirm you're on home, click Ask Anything, type your rewrite prompt with the text and quotes, and send. With this simple workflow, you can quickly elevate unclear copy into crisp, reader-friendly content anytime you need.